Most people trying to sell AI websites are making this way harder than it needs to be. They're over-explaining AI and just confusing local businesses. But once you combine a self-selling demo with AI that pitches itself to a business, everything changes and local businesses actually understand the value. And the crazy part is that for you, AI can build all of these AI assets in seconds. So I'm not going to waste any of your time, and I'm just going to show you, in my opinion, the fastest way to sell these AI smart websites to local businesses. By the way, this is an AI smart website. It basically can talk to you. It has special forms. It has all kinds of AI integrations in one spot. And if you want to sell this to local businesses properly, you're going to have to use a self-selling demo, something like this, where it walks them through and guides them through setting this entire thing up. By the way, I have all this stuff for free, but I'm also going to show you how AI can build all of this in seconds for you so you can be a complete beginner and still make money with this. But our goal in this video is to go through, learn how to set these smart websites up, how to demo them to local businesses so that AI demos for you and sells for you, but most importantly, how to charge a premium price and make recurring money month after month while you do not as much work. And you can sell these kinds of websites to local businesses that either already have a website or you can turn their existing website into an AI website, and you can charge pretty good prices for these smart websites. I'm talking like up to $497 per month, and you can even go higher. And what some people do is they charge a setup fee on top of the $497. So every month they collect that $500, then they also get $1,500 up front. But what I recommend, if you're a beginner, scratch this, do the setup for free, and then just charge them the $497 per month. Because once you get this set up, which I'm going to show you in a second, which is going to blow you away, it's not that hard to do. It's really not. The maintenance is very low. So your time on fulfillment is lower, except you're still collecting good money. I also want to let you know, the way I'm about to show you how to demo and build these AI smart websites is something I've never shown before on my channel, because I found a new way that's even better than my previous way. So please pay close attention. If you have any questions during this video, drop in the comments down below, because this is about to get very crazy. All right, so I'm going to break down this process in 3 simple steps. Number 1, we are going to find the business that we want to mimic, and then we're going to create the smart website off of it so that our demo matches their business. When it mirrors their business, it's much more powerful, or mirrors their niche. That's why once we build this once, we can do it for all the plumbers you find. So it basically works really well, but we still have to build it for one, and it does help to change it for niche. But that's the first part, finding the business and setting this up. Then it's showing them how to actually demo said business so they can see the value, and you're not just yapping about AI, because everyone's yapping about AI, but no one is showing AI. So that's the next step, and then properly charging and pricing this so you can actually make money. And this isn't just theory, but let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go onto Google and type in a niche. So plumber, HVAC, electrician, whatever you want to sell, and then the exact location. So wherever you're going to find, type that in, and then you'll see a bunch of different businesses just like this. Real quick, before I go into this, if you're quickly wondering, you're like, who is this guy in a robe? There's no way he knows what he's talking about. I've been selling AI business for a while. As you see on the screen right now, I've even won awards doing so. So I do know what I'm doing. I also want to let you know, I don't have anything to sell you in this video. There's not some massive mastermind or outdated course. A quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes, and I want to be honest with you, everything takes hard work. Yes, you can make money from this, absolutely, but you still have to work hard. So take that in consideration. So we're just going to come and we're going to scroll down and we're going to find one of these plumbers. No. We will just do these guys right here. Okay, so boom. Website, not the best, okay? I'm not a fan of it, but also they don't have any AI integration. So the cool part about what I'm about to show you, and by the way, I'm not trying to pick on these guys. I'm literally just using this for educational purposes. But the idea is that with businesses like this, we can absolutely add in AI integration. So right here, they don't have the AI voice agents. Like I showed you before, this actually talks to you. You click this.
Hello, you've reached Bob's HVAC Pro. This is Amelia. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, Amelia?
Hi there. I'm doing great.
This website doesn't have that. So there's 2 different ways we can do this. Number 1, we can just add in the AI to these existing websites, which I have you covered and I'll show you how to do. But more importantly, what I actually recommend you really do is we upgrade their website and add it all in. And the reason this works so well is if the demo, let's say they don't want the website, but they want the AI agents, we can always just move said AI agents from the demo we created onto their website. So either way we win, but we still, for the sake of the video, want to recreate the entire website look with the agent. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy their URL. This is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to come right into our vibe coder. I'm going to show you what I use here in a sec, what tool, but for now, I don't want to focus on that. I just want to show you what's possible, but we're going to paste this in just like this. And we're going to say, please make this website better and cleaner. And then we're just going to click enter. And this vibe coder is going to rebuild this entire website, make it better better in seconds. Check this out. Boom, look at that. This is insane. It went through all of this, okay, and built this. Thought for 8 seconds. I mean, this is insane. Look what it just built out. Now, here's the thing. This does not have to be perfect. Obviously, this one, it's very similar to this one. You can upgrade it and keep going, but that's not my goal here. My goal is to have something that looks enough like their business so they go, oh my gosh, or even better, because we're not done yet. Because actually, what makes us valuable is not the fact that we go, oh, hey, we're rebuilding your website, is that they have no AI integrations on here. So what we need to do now is we need to add in these AI voice agents and smart forms so we can make this website look really real. So what we're going to do, and this is where this gets even faster, is we're going to come to this other tool, okay? It's called Ask AI. It's in the same builder. By the way, let me just quickly explain this to you. What I'm using here is called GoHighLevel, okay? Don't worry, there's a free trial you can go and try down below. It's 30 days extended, so not 14. So again, if you want to try all this out and see what you like, there is that free trial down below. I also am going to give you access to all of my goodies for free when you sign up. I'm talking a private community full of winners. I'm talking all of the training snapshot systems you could possibly need. And most importantly, up to 7 live coaching calls you can attend, even ones with me for free and our other amazing coaches. I mean, we have literally everything you could possibly need in here, and it's all free. I'm telling you right now, this will blow you away. Once you sign up with that trial, you'll get email access, you'll get in, and we can take care of it. And the cool thing too, guys, is if you don't like it after 30 days, cancel. No big deal, but I'm so sure you will that I'm offering you this. But this is what we're going to do with this tool, because we need to create these AI agents, the one that talk, and we need to be able to put them on their website, because like I talked about before, when we're doing this demo, we need it to show the proper value so that it is showing AI, not telling them AI. And the only way to do that is by having what's called a self-selling demo. So what we're going to do now, and you guys are seeing, it's very simple. We just come right in here and we ask AI and it builds it all for us. So again, very beginner friendly. But we're going to take this exact website again, and this is what we're going to say. You're just going to copy exactly what I say. Please create me an AI voice agent named, we will do Eliza, okay, and make it based off of this business right here. Boom, paste. Now AI is going to go in and it's going to build out these AI voice agents based on this company. Okay, this is going to blow you away. AI creates it. Then when we go to put in the demo, we're going to plug in these AI voice agents. So when you go to them, again, I'm just using this business as an example. When you go to them, it's their business and you're going, imagine how cool this is. AI does it for you in literally seconds. It's easy for you to do, but to them, it wows them because you're showing, not telling them the power of AI. And by the way, if you do not understand why these are powerful, smart websites are not just websites that look cool. Like this is just a website that looks cool, but can it close people and do customer support 24/7? No, because I don't see AI voice agents. These can't, especially when you connect AI chatbots and all this stuff, it will do everything for you. And that is where this gets powerful. So let's see, boom, boom, boom. It says, sure, let me pull up the website, blah, 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 blah. I'm just going to say, create it. And AI is just going to go through and do all of the work for me. Boom, look at that. Okay, it went through and did it. Let's go to AI agents and see if it created it to make sure. Eliza, there it is. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at this. It set up the entire thing. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if it works. Always test.
Hi, thank you for calling Smooth Sailing Plumbing. I'm Elisa, your virtual assistant. Quality plumbing at the right price. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am? I'm trying to book an appointment.
Hi there, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. Could you let me know what day and time you're looking for?
Okay, do you see how powerful that is? In seconds, it created an AI agent based on this company. That is insane. That is why this is so powerful. But we are not done. We have to quickly add in this exact agent to this website so we can go through our smart demo, which is where we're really going to be able to sell them. Again, guys, I want to show you the best way to do this, because if you just send them a website and go, isn't this amazing? It's just a website. You have to show them the AI. Again, the whole point of this video is learning how to show, not tell, because everyone, I'm telling you right now, everyone keeps saying AI, but no one knows what the F it means. I'm not even kidding you. Everyone just keeps going AI, AI. And all these business owners are going, what are they talking about? But when you show them the AI, like I'm doing, they go, oh, I see how this works in my business. So now we need to add that in. Elisa looks good. We now need to come to sites. We're going to come to chat widget. Again, this is all in GoHighLevel. And gets in the 30-day free trial. We're just going to click new. We're going to do voice AI chat. We're just going to do Elysia. We're going to save, come to agent. We're going to pick Elysia right here. This is all we have to do. Elysia, you're seeing it right here. Picture looks good. We're going to click get code, copy said code, come right back here and say, please put this on page. Boom. Enter, let AI add it into the page, just like that. Boom, look at this. It added it in right like that. So now our demo has our AI agent involved. So now what we need to do, and this is really the main step, is make sure that we go to the business. Okay, we reach out to them in multiple ways and show them this demo. So if you're trying to reach out to business, you can either email them, text them if it's compliant, cold call them, walk into the business, meet them at a networking meeting. I mean, there's a lot of different things you can do, but the whole point is we want to show them how this works, not tell them. Very important. That's how you're going to get them to see the value. The key is for them to try it. So they come on just like I did before. They try this, they test out. You have them walk through as if they were a client or a potential lead of Smooth Sailing Plumbing so they can see how this AI agent lands clients for Smooth Sailing Plumbing. Okay, really important. The whole goal is you're not trying to have the AI agent sell the local business as far as like selling them the service. You want this AI agent to sell the local business on how it's selling their customers. That's when the knob turns in their head when they go, oh, this is valuable. Because what you're doing before is you're having these AI agents just pitch them directly. It feels like a sales pitch, but instead it's demoing its value in the field of plumbing to them. So drop a comment down below if that's confusing, but that's the most important part. And from there, you just need to have them walk through said demo. Now I have other demos like this. If you guys are interested, you get them with that 30-day free trial down below. These kinds of demos, they go a little more in depth. So if we refresh this, it walks them through on the screen. So if you're like, I don't know how to tell them to demo it, you can always use one of these and I can show you how to inline the code. But when they click, it shows them exactly what to do. They demo, and then it basically brings them to another AI agent, which either books an appointment with you or sells them on the spot. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but the whole idea is that we want to mimic said AI agent of their business and show them in real time how this can help them. Again, I'm going to make this so clear. You don't want the AI agent trying to sell them. You want it trying to sell their potential clients. That's when they see the value. So that's as simple as this is. It is not complicated. You just come in, you use these AI tools, build it out quick, put it in, and then start demoing these demos to the businesses. I also have videos too. If you guys are interested, you can just drop in the comments down below. Videos on how to get clients, really long videos. I show you every single way. Couldn't add them into this video because this video will literally be hours long, but this is really what you can do. And it works really well. And if you come into my community, you can see like a lot of people are winning. A lot of people are winning. Like this is not just like, oh, you have to be really advanced. AI is new. Business owners don't have it. And if you get them, they get a big leg ahead. So at the time of this video, like these are the kind of things you need to be doing. If you're looking at online business models, if you're looking for something that actually works, AI is going to be the thing because it's the future, and businesses that get it now will get ahead. So if this interests you and you want to learn more and you want to get access to my entire private community and all this amazing stuff, even the calls, hand-holding, where you can talk to me and everyone else, just go right down below, click the link, sign up with their 30-day free trial, and we'll get you in. It's as simple as that. And if you don't like it after 30 days, you can quit. Actually, what I'm going to do, because I think this is really important, is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video that's going to walk you through what's in this community so you can see this legit. It's also going to show what other people are saying, because I can yap all day about my community, but it's going to show you what real people are saying about this community and how they're winning. So thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment down below and watch the video that pops up right now.